Well, this evening, El Paso County ordered a shutdown of all non-essential businesses to help stop a massive surge of virus hospitalizations. The governor's orders do not allow counties to do that, and Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is already responding to that move, threatening legal action. Fox 4's David Santendri is live tonight with more on that and what North Texas hospitals are doing to help overwhelmed hospitals in El Paso. David.
Yeah, good evening, Heather. El Paso County says it's never seen this level of COVID-19 spread before. Its hospitals are so overcrowded that right now they are sending some patients right here to North Texas.
Effective at midnight tonight, I'm ordering a shutdown of all non-essential services for a 2-week period.
El Paso County is placing a 2-week shutdown for all non-essential services due to a COVID-19 surge.
Since the inception of this pandemic, El Paso County has never seen this level of infections through our community. Our hospitals are at capacity, our medical professionals are overwhelmed, and if we don't respond, we will see unprecedented levels of deaths.
It's so bad that even though field hospitals opened up to handle a surge, some patients have been transferred to North Texas.
We've got about 3 or 4 patients.
DFW Hospital Council CEO Stephen Love says local hospitals should expect more in the coming days and weeks.
So in El Paso, they're trying to look at candidates that potentially could be moved if the family agrees as they come to the emergency room, as opposed to going in and taking a patient that's already in a bed and already in place in the hospital and displacing them.
Governor Abbott this week said if 15% of a hospital's capacity is occupied by COVID patients, some reopening stages will need to scale back. The Lubbock area, Amarillo, and of course El Paso already reached that threshold.
That region will have to go back to the pre-existing status of opening, which means that bars would be closed and that businesses would be operating at a 50% level.
El Paso County made the decision to take restrictions a step further, even though the governor doesn't allow for those measures.
The hard truth is that the people who are dying are El Pasoans. They are not in Austin, and I have the responsibility to do everything I can to protect El Pasoans.
The Texas Attorney General, Ken Paxton, issued a statement on Twitter Thursday saying it's exploring legal action, saying in part that the county judge, quote, has no authority to shut down businesses in El Paso County. This is a direct violation of Governor Abbott's executive order. If you're curious about Election Day, El Paso County says voting is essential. Polls will remain open. The businesses that are going to be closing, we're talking about salons, gyms, restaurants for in-person dining. All those for now are going to have to close here in about an hour and 15 minutes. Heather?
All right.